In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code and a barcode in Canva step by step. The process is the same whether you're using a phone or PC. I'm using a PC right now. First, open your browser and type Canva in Google. Click on the official website. Once you're inside Canva, make sure you sign in to your account. Now click on Templates. If you want to print your QR code, go to Printables and select A4 size. Once the page opens, go to the left side panel and click on Apps. In the search bar, type QR code generator. You'll see multiple options. I'm going to use the simple QR code option, but you can choose anyone you like. Click on it and it will ask for a URL. Paste your website link or any link you want. I'm pasting my YouTube channel link. After that, click on Generate Code. And that's it. Your QR code is ready. You can resize it, move it anywhere, change the background color, and even adjust the foreground color according to your design. Now let me quickly show you how to create a barcode. Go back to Apps, search for barcode generator, click on it and enter your data number or product number. Click generate and your barcode is ready. Simple and easy. Now just click on share, then download, choose your format and save it. And that's how you create both a QR code and a barcode in Canva. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.